Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and signing in. This gets you straight into the workflow. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio and go to the left menu, select Monetization. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or an approved alternative. Otherwise, applications will be blocked. Make sure two-step verification and channel ownership are verified. After that, you can initiate the monetization check for the specific video you want to review, so proceed to the next step. Once done with account checks, inspect the video settings closely. This is the core execution. Open content, click the specific video and enter details, then find the monetization tab. Toggle must be on, and you should select allowed ad formats. Next, click restrictions and copyright to verify there are no claims or manual blocks. Claims can disable ads. Also run the ad suitability review and check for sensitive content flags, because policy flags will turn off monetization automatically. You finish by verifying the monetization status and connecting AdSense. These are the last definitive steps. Look for a green approved status in monetization and confirm the channel is linked to an active AdSense account. Without that, earnings won't flow. If monetization is disabled, resolve copyright claims, remove policy-violating content, or submit an appeal through the monetization or copyright forms. Make sure to recheck after edits, since changes and ad serving can take 24 to 48 hours to reflect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.